like yesterday. Heard a song in the stillness, and it took my mind away to a time I still remember, when a voice was crystal clear, like a breeze through the window, that I still feel near. It's more than a memory, it's more than a dream. It's the echo of a moment that still lives in me. When I hear that melody, she comes rushing back, like the stars that fade, but leave light on the track. I walk through the city, but I'm lost in reverie. Every face turns to shadows of the way things used to be. She was fire, she was freedom, she was gone like morning dew. Now the chords of that old song pull me back to something true. It's more than a memory, it's more than a dream. It's the echo of a moment that still lives in me. When I hear that melody, I can feel her near, like a whisper soft that cuts through the ear. No, I can't hold the time, can't rewind the sound, but when the notes play, she's still around. It's more than a feeling, it's more than a flame. It's the sound of forever calling out her name. When I hear that melody, I don't feel alone. She's a ghost in the music, leading me home, leading me home.